Hello guys, in this video I shall be showing you how you can set up OpenVPN client on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started and see how we can do it. So first of all you need to open your favorite browser and search for VPN, OpenVPN client. So the first link in the search will be from openvpn.net. Click on it and a website like this will be opened in front of you. So what you need to do is click on download button to download the client on your PC. So while it is downloading, we also need some profiles to configure in the OpenVPN client. So for that purpose, search for VPN book in the search bar, and the first link will be from vpnbook.com. Click on it to open the website and navigate to free VPN page. Over there you will see free OpenVPN profiles. You can download any of these. So if you scroll down, you will also see usernames and passwords for these profiles. Click on the downloaded profile and extract its contents so that we can use it later. So these are the profiles which we will use for configuration of OpenVPN client. Open the location where the VPN file has been downloaded. Double click on it to run the setup wizard. Click on run and click on next. Accept the user license agreement. Again click on next and click on install. Application installation procedure in Windows is quite easy, so it will take a while to finish its installation process. Once its installation has been completed, it will automatically open VPN client so that remaining configuration can be done. Here you can see it has opened up and it is giving us a brief intro about how we can use it. Click on agree and click on OK to accept the updates. There are two methods where you can import the VPN file. In this case we will use file and click on browse and browse to the location where we have downloaded extracted the VPN profiles. It will automatically load the VPN server IP address. So for username and password we need to go to VPN book and copy the username and paste it here and click on show password and note down the password from the VPN book website and manually enter in the password field. Click on connect. It will take a while and it will connect to open VPN server. So to check that your IP address has been changed, search for what is my IP on Google and you will see that your public IP address has been changed to OpenVPN server IP address. So if you want to disconnect this VPN, simply click on this button. Or if this profile is not working, you can also repeat the same process and import some other profile and use the same username and password from the VPN book website and click on connect to. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and also share it with others. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.